Hello, my name is Steve, and in this video I would like to share with you how to change your Spotify picture, so let's start it. First, you need to tap on Spotify application. After that, you have to look top right corner and tap on the cog icon. Select View Profile, and after that you need to tap on Edit Profile. On this page you have to tap on your current profile picture, and Spotify will provide you two options if you would like to change your current profile picture. If you select the first one, which is Choose from Library, that means that you would like to change your profile pictures from the gallery, so the photos that you have taken in the past. If you select the second option, the Take Photo, it means that you can make a new profile picture with your camera. It doesn't matter which one you choose, in the end, if you just confirm it, it will change your Spotify picture. So that's the way if you would like to change your Spotify picture.